Hello everybody, Abdel here, and welcome to Abdel's Home Cooking. For today's video, I'm going to show you all how to make a marble cake. What you see here are the ingredients we're going to be using for this dessert. First, we have 1 cup of flour, 8.5 tablespoons of melted butter, 6 eggs, half cup of sugar, 4.5 ounces of chocolate, 2 teaspoons of vanilla sugar, and 2.25 tablespoons of baking powder. Now before we begin, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, comment down below what you want to see me make next, and share my video and channel with others to keep the channel growing. With that being said, let's get started. Okay, first we're going to separate 5 whole eggs, but leave one egg behind. First you crack the egg gently. Separate the yolks from the whites, like so. Now do this with the other 4 eggs. Next, we mix the yolks in with our sugar. Mix our yolks in with the sugar. Mix it in until it's a clear yellow paste. Then we add in a whole egg, like so, and mix it in. Then we mix in our melted butter, flour, and baking powder. Then we put half of the batter into a separate bowl. Okay, now we add some flavor to our batters. First, in one bowl, we're gonna mix in the vanilla sugar. Mix in the vanilla sugar with this batter. Then we mix in the melted chocolate. Then we mix in the chocolate, which has been melted in the microwave for 2 minutes. Stirred every 1 minute. Next, using an electric hand mixer, we're gonna beat the egg whites until they're stiff like peaks. Now we bring one half half of the egg whites into each of these bowls. Now we add the batters into our cake pan. But first we coat the pan with canola oil. Next, we add in the dough. Each of the flavored batter into the pan. Next, we take our marble cake and place it in the oven, which has been preheated to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. And we'll leave it in there for 50 minutes. Alright, the 50 minutes are up. It's time to take our cake out of the oven. I gotta need to use these oven mitts for this one. Doing it bare hand can leave a severe burn. Now we remove it from the heat until it gets cold. Now there's a way to be sure if it's fully cooked or not. You stick a toothpick into the cake, like so. And if the inside, if it comes out clear, it's done. If it comes out moist, it's still not done. I could still use more time. Now we're just gonna turn back the oven on and leave. Now we're just gonna leave the cake in the oven for another 10 minutes. Alright, we gave it another 10 minutes. I'll tell you what we did this time. Well, what do you know? The toothpick's clear. And just like that, we got ourselves a delicious cake that's the best of both worlds, vanilla and chocolate. Well, everybody, that's gonna be it for today's video. Be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, comment down below what you want to see next, and share my videos and channel with others to keep the channel growing. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bon appetit!